Okay, so what we have today is a box that was shipped to me from Sean in Asheville, North Carolina, and he bought a set of Blackstock pickups. And what happened was he was a victim of the storm. So the pickups got flooded. So he asked me if they could be fixed, and I said absolutely. But then I said, hey, you know what? Why don't you send them back to me and I'll send you a brand new set. So he's gonna get a brand new set. What I'm gonna do is see if I can fix these, and I have no idea what to expect. So we'll see. What do we have? We have the foil logo is messed up and corroded. There's some dents on the cover, and the screws are oxidized, and the screws in the back have some signs of rust. So let's test them. Let's see if they work. All right, so we're going to test the pickup. Connect the ground and the hot. And this neck pickup is 7.71 is the resistance, which is right. They're both working. So interesting. So they work fine. So what we'll do is we'll clean them up and replace the covers. So let's start with that. Let's go ahead and heat up the soldering iron. I'm going to put brand new covers on these. We'll clean them up first. We'll put new labels. We'll clean everything up. We could put new screws in too. So we'll put new screws in. And like I said, these aren't going back to him. These will, I don't know, we'll repurpose them for something. But he's getting a brand new set. And the soldering iron is hot now. Let's go ahead with this side first. Now sometimes we put a little solder on the iron. It just helps with transferring the heat. And we'll get a solder sucker, and we'll suck that up. Okay, let's do this. Let's heat this up. And I have a solder ribbon, and that's going to help a little bit too. Okay. We don't want it to get super hot because it's going to melt all the wax. Okay, so there's the cover off. Look at that. Now there's nothing really in here, just the wax. Okay. And we'll put a new label, we'll clean this up. We'll put new shiny ones in here. And we'll even repot the pickup. All right, so what I'm doing is I dip these in wax, and I let the wax cure up on them. I think that's going to be just a little better. Okay, so we have new screws in there on the tops. Let's go ahead and get a cover. Okay, this is the old cover. Okay, we're going to need some tape. This is how I'm going to do this one. I'm using a paper tape to go over the slugs so that they don't touch the cover because they can squeal and make noise. Now normally the wax would be enough, but again, I'm kind of fixing this pickup, so I'm just double making sure there's not going to be an issue. All right, new cover. Let's make sure which one's which. This. There's the correct one. Okay, new cover, and we will solder that up. Get that cover soldered on there. Okay. All right. And we'll go ahead and remove this plate. Actually, let me give you a look. There's that. And we'll get new screws. There's the old screw. You can see, little rusted, just a little bit. Oh, the plate's coming off too. So there's our new screws compared to the old one. Now this is the bridge pickup, so we're going to go ahead and install the plate and then meter it to see if it works. We have the grounds right there. We're hot. Okay. Somewhere in this mess is a Sharpie. 9.07. I'm going to sign this. We'll put today's date, 12/3/24. Refurb. Okay. All right. There we have it. That's pickup is fixed, refurbed. So we'll just have to figure out what to do with it. So that's good news. There you go. We're going to replace the screws on this one, do the same thing to this one.